Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn on captions on YouTube. At first, play any video on YouTube. Now, click anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. Click the CC icon at the bottom of the video player. As you can see, captions started appearing on the video player. To permanently enable captions on YouTube, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the menu. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Playback and Performance. On this page, you can find a section called Subtitles and Closed Captions. Check the box beside the text Always Show Captions. If you want, you can also check the box that says Include Auto-Generated Captions. Now, if you play any video on YouTube, captions will be turned on automatically. This is how you can turn on captions on YouTube. Thank you for watching.